This is Nicholas Iraci, the Home Source Guy, president of Source Development, Inc., a commercial and residential construction company in Garnerville, New York. And this is how to replace a side mount toilet tank lever. There's a single tool required, an adjustable pliers. First, I'm going to start off by removing the chain from the lever. Chain's attached to the flapper. I'm taking my adjustable wrench. I'm going to loosen the retaining nut. I'm going to slide the retaining nut off and remove the lever. Depending on the toilet you have, the style toilet that you have, there's several different types. This is a plastic lever. This is a brass lever. This one's universal. So if there's any obstruction in the tank, you can kind of bend the wand to your preference to avoid everything to match the original equipment. I'm going to return the lever in place, tightening the fastening nut, and don't really over tighten it. It just needs to be finger tight. I'm going to reattach the flapper, and now it's complete. This is Nicholas Iraci, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., and that was how to replace a side mount toilet tank lever.